Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my Kabolite station. Today I'm going to show you how I clean the tracks on my excavator. I clean them periodically so that so much junk doesn't get accumulated inside of them. And also I frequently take my excavator in the house and I don't want to trap a lot of dirt in the house. So let me show you what I do. First, on my dirt pile, I put the excavator on some boards. That way, when I get a lot of dirt down there, I can move it out of my way. Then I use the shovel to raise the track in the air. Once in the air, let me zoom in a little bit. I take a stiff brush. This one I got from Lowe's. And I use it to clean off the track while the track's spinning. So here we go. Do that once, and as you can see, the track turns gray. All the dirt's off. I have a different, smaller brush that I use to get the dirt from inside. And finally, I have a little tool. Let's see, just a little awl that I use. Let me put them down some. To clean out the track part that touches the sprocket. So there are little holes in each track, and I just take this tool and punch out the dirt that's inside of there. And what that does, let me raise them up, is for the sprocket teeth right here. Sometimes if a lot of dirt picks up in here, you'll see this part up higher. It's riding on the outside because the spring in the front track is compressing. So once I hit all of those little pieces out of there, I can see the track sit further down on the sprocket because the teeth is going up in there. And I just do that on one side, brush it off, do it on the other side, and then take it in the house. So that's my tips for today. If you like what you see, hit like. Otherwise, I'll bring you more tips later. Bye.